everyone. All right, so I just wanted to give an update on our bank account. So it's official. I got my card. Banco La Fis in the house. It was a process. So I got some backlash from some people saying, oh, it's so easy to get a bank account in Costa Rica. It is not. So anyone that tells you that, one, has never opened a bank account in Costa Rica. So it is not easy. So from our last video, you saw that we had gone to the bank, we waited about an hour, and we opened the account, and they said we had to wait for an email. Well, after about a week, I had not received the email, so I had to communicate with the bank via WhatsApp, and they said, okay, we're working on it. Contact us within 24 hours. So in 24 hours, I reached out again, said, hi, I'm just following up, trying to find out about this bank account. He said, all right, we're reaching out to the branch that you went to. They said, just stand by. Contact us tomorrow. So I contacted them again. And this time they were like, okay, you should be receiving the email. So 2 weeks went by before I received the email. So finally I got the email. And, okay, like I said, I waited 2 weeks to get the email. Finally I got an email. And the bank just wanted to know if I had any residency paperwork and being filed. The answer is no. I am not currently filing for residency. We are not filing for residency. We are here on tourist visas. So the next day I got another email, this time confirming credentials to log into online banking. So I tried to log into online banking and I was unable to. It told me my credentials were wrong. So then I had to get on another WhatsApp call. And this time it was a live video chat with someone at the bank, which was really pretty cool. So we did that, and it turned out, silly me, it was my fault, user error. My credentials were not wrong. There was a space between the letters and the numbers that they sent me, which I didn't see when they sent me. I guess I just didn't pay attention. So anyways, my credentials were all good and well. Now the next step was to put money in the account. So yesterday, Gary and I went over to the bank and the minimum deposit. So they give you two cards. They give you a US dollars and a colones card. So you have to put money in both accounts. So it was $50 minimum for US, 2,000 colones, so $4 US in the colones account. So we put money in it, bing, bang, boom. We official. I got my cards printed. Gary, it's weird, even though, so it's not technically a joint account, which is odd, but it is an account with both our names on it. So Gary's cards won't arrive for, they said, 3 to 5 business days, which is fine, right? It doesn't ultimately matter. So we have the account, it's active, amazing. So one of the main reasons we want an account is because you need an account if you want to use what they call here SimPay. So like the US's version of Zelle, right? Or Cash App. They don't have those apps here. So a lot of places take either cash or SimPay. So they don't take credit card. So it's just like a quick bank transfer, and it makes things a lot easier when you have SimPay. So we got it to get SimPay, and we got it to have established a relationship with the bank in the event in the future we want to have a mortgage. So that is why we have an account. We are not keeping a lot of money in the account. It's important you do not keep a lot of money in a Costa Rican account. They are not FDIC insured, so you can potentially lose money if you put too much in there. So just keeping the bare minimum in there. Got to figure out how to transfer from the US into there. But yay, we finally got it open. So if you're having trouble opening a bank account here in Costa Rica, go to Banco La Fis. They will open an account for you. All right, till later. Toodles.